Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem codes in Voidpet Dungeon. Alright, so I just opened Voidpet Dungeon, and if you're like me, you probably saw a code somewhere and thought, cool, but where do I actually redeem this thing? Turns out it's easier than it looks. From the main screen, let's tap into the menu and head over to the settings area. Most games like to hide reward options there, almost like a little treasure hunt. After scrolling for a moment, you'll find a section where you can enter a code or referral. Let's paste the code right into the box and confirm it. And just like that, the reward pops into the account. No dramatic cutscene, no fireworks, just the quiet satisfaction of free stuff appearing in your inventory. Honestly, I always double check my typing here because one wrong letter in the game acts like the code never existed. Quick tip though, Void Pet Dungeon mostly uses referral codes right now, so if you want more rewards, trading codes with other players actually works surprisingly well. Pretty clever system, if you ask me. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.